October 10 ngayon, di ba? 3:15. May pang konti. Hello, Jojo. Ilang taon na ako? Secret. Tanong mo na lahat, wag lang edad ko. Ali. So, paano ko 30 minutes before? Oo, 26. Ano pa kailangan ko? Or you get other sites to link back on your site. To link back to yours. Student ko 14. 12. 12 na lang ata ngayon pumapasok. 12 sa isang klase. Oh, sabay-sabay. Sabay-sabay mo silang tuturuan. Kaso nga lang, minsan kasi yung iba na yung nahuhuli. Yun lang yung mahirap. Tapos mapag-absent pa yung iba kasi. Most popular link building methods right here. Preferably Singlish. Anong oras? 11 dito. 11 a.m. dito pero sa kanila gabi. Tsaka iba-iba edad nila. Merong 19, merong 30 plus, merong 57. 57 na tayo pinakamatanda. Yun, medyo nahirapan yung 57. Fred. Preferably. Thank you, Fred. So likable. Matic message pa. Oo, araw-araw. Tuesday to Saturday. Tuesday to Saturday dito, Monday to Friday kasi sa kanila. Ilang months na nga yun sila eh. April pa nag-start. April pa sila nag-start. September na ngayon. Parang years din ata abutin. You get backlinks. Brand exposure, traffic. They get free quality content for their audience. 1 hour lang every day. First process. To find relevant website. Shit. Oo nga. Di na ako papag-tryin ng yung siguro. Farming. Then we evaluate or assess the website's quality. We're going to check the DR, traffic, relevancy. Should be no spammy links, spam content, no paid links, especially paper posts. Yeah. May interview kasi ako eh. Then, after that, we're going to email the webmasters. Then, if they agree, we're going to write the article or ask our writer to write an article for that website. Then we're going, if they post it, they're going to pay them. I forgot the domain age checker. Wala na dito. Who is? Pwede din. DNS checker pala.